We are pleased to show you the 2023 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, trailer hitch receiver, driver convenience package. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.